Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the forecast sheet. So what is a forecast sheet? Why we use a forecast sheet in Excel? The Microsoft Excel forecast function returns a prediction of future value based on the existing value provided. Okay. So let's see a few example for the forecast sheet in Excel. So this is my Excel. Okay. So this is my data from year 2001 to 2016 and my sales in front of the year. So now I want see some prediction till 2020 where my still is going basis on the future historical data. Okay, so it's like the weather forecast according to the prediction from the previous historical data. They will be forecast the next upcoming weather. Okay, so let's suppose we have same data till 2016 we have, and we need to predictions till 2020. Okay, so first I selected data, then you need to go into the data tab. In the data tab we have a forecast sheet option. In the forecast sheet we have two options here. First is a line graph, second is a chart, column chart. Okay, so in the line graph you can see here the values are the x and the y's are the 2001 2010 to 2020. If you want to increase more 2021 2022 you can increase, but I want a data till 2020, only the prediction for the next 4 years. Okay, and this is my slab range is going 2000 to 12,000. Okay, sales we have a the sales parameter here. Forecast sale is here. Okay, this is my forecast. This is my actual forecast they predicted. Okay, lower confidence bound sale. This is my lower. If the prediction is not good and is going to lower, then my sale will be go lower. And this is my upper confidence bound sale. If my sale is going upper, then they will be extend till 10,000. Not exceed will be 10,000, and my minimum sale will be going to it's something 500 or 200. It's not going to zero. Okay, according to the previous. So this is my lower and this is my upper bound. Okay, and one more we have. So when I click in this data, then see here we have the another sheet tab. In the another sheet tab we have a data. Okay, now first data is my actual, and the second column we see here, this column name is forecast sheet. In the forecast sheet we have a forecast function here. Okay, in the forecast function we have some forecast ATS function. Okay, then they selected the previous data. Okay, next is same forecast ATS. Next function is forecast ATS, and the minus they put it automatically everything, the lower bound or upper bound. Okay, same here. Okay, so this is my data. You can forecast any data with the help of forecast sheet. Okay, now I'm creating the column chart here. In the column chart now I want data till 2024. Okay, till 2024. Now see here my prediction is 2024. Now sale is actual this, forecast sale is this. Okay, when I press the create, now see here my data is created. My forecast is now available till 2024. Okay, and this is my confidence level. The sales will be go up till here. Okay, so this is a forecast sheet is very important if you looking for the analysis for the upcoming data where my sales is growing, is going increase or decrease. You can forecast from the help of the forecast sheet. Okay guys, thank you.